Hey, good afternoon, folks. It turned out to be a glorious day across the coastal bend for your Mother's Day. Look at these temperatures out there. We've got an even 80 degrees on your live weather bug camera out at I-37 and Suntide. Lots of sun out there. You got an east wind at 13 miles an hour right now. We did make it up to 81 degrees today, which is exactly what we thought it was going to be after that morning low of 65, also exactly what we were expecting. We're also looking at a very pleasant only 20 mile per hour wind gust, just enough to make things comfortable out there. Unfortunately, no rain. We could use some. We'll do that for another day. This is what we're seeing, though. Basically, fair skies across the area. Little ridge in the upper atmosphere is keeping us dry and stable, at least for now. But as we showed you right off the top of the newscast, there are some big-time storms way out in West Texas. That's where a weak upper-level disturbance is making its way towards us right now, producing those thunderstorms, even a marginal risk for severe storms over far West Texas and over the New Mexico high plains. Temperatures in the 70s and 80s over most of the state, and that's what you're seeing around here as well. And ranging from the upper 70s along the immediate coastline to the lower and even middle 80s in the interior. Water at Malachite is 78 degrees, but the humidity is very comfortable. We're looking at dew points ranging from the middle 50s in the interior to the middle, even upper 60s along the coastal zones. These winds are going to stay out of the east tonight, and then as you move on into your Monday, especially in the afternoon, they become more southeasterly, and that starts to bring the moisture back in. As you'll see, those winds continue picking up speed, momentum, Tuesday on into Wednesday. Pretty good gusts out there, and that at least begins to bring the moisture back in. But notice, even though it brings it further inland, it's not raising those dew points to an uncomfortable level. 70, 71 is not that bad. It's not 77 or 78. And the reason, a weak little wind shift line. There's a weak little front that comes on through here and moderates that humidity. Now, what that also does is limit our chance for severe thunderstorms. So we're just looking at a few showers Monday, a little bit less so on your Tuesday. And any energy from those storms will be passing off to our north. So that's what we're going to be watching. In the short term, modest amounts of rain. We'll see that mainly to our south and west, and then later on across our northern tier of counties there on your late Tuesday afternoon. And so we'll have to wait till past this time towards the weekend to see some more appreciable amounts of rain, and that'll be Saturday and Sunday with a series of disturbances moving across our area. So here's what we're looking at. Long range, a significant amount of rain well to our north, but modest but plentiful rain around here. We're looking at temperatures dropping into the upper 60s tonight under mainly clear skies, partly cloudy at times, a few showers Monday and Tuesday, a better chance of rain that'll be coming up towards the end of the week. So that's what it's looking like, a gradual warming trend with a better chance of rain this weekend. Lee?